everything that we're doing is to empower people, is to create freedom money, is to provide people with the ability to move value from point A to point B without the involvement of a third party, without anyone telling us what to do with our money. Money can't be really effectively moved between jurisdictions. You can't effectively move $1 from one end of the globe to the other end of the globe. And technology can solve it. But it's not just technology, it's a mindset that people shouldn't block the transfer of value. Essentially, Lightning is a global payment network without restriction.